Hello students, welcome ulit. So, continue tayo for problem number 17. Sige. So, for problem number 17, we have integral of secant squared, no? Secant x pala, sorry. Tama, secant squared x over a plus b tan x. Okay? Dx. Sige. So again, the problem sets is focused on integration by substitution. Actually, sa next topic pa yung integration of trigonometric function. So rest assured, we will not be integrating or will not try to solve the integral of trigo functions. However, notice dyan, bakit may mga trigo functions dito? So maybe we'll be using, since this is substitution, maybe we'll actually set u as a trigo function and then solve the derivative of that trigo function. So, ang derivative of a trigo function, although hindi sinali dito, but supposedly, no, since this is already integral calculus, you're already done with differential calculus. So, by now, you already know the derivative of trigo functions. For example, I hope you agree that the derivative of tan x is actually secant x squared. Actually, hindi. I'm not really sure, no? Let's try to check down. So, tama. Tan x is secant square x. Okay? So, tama pala. Sige. So, let's proceed. So, basically, we will let u be tan x, or in this case, we'll just let u be this whole denominator, this two terms, a plus b tan x. Sige. So, u is equal to a... By the way, a and b, these are not variables, ha? I believe these are actually constants. Tan x, tan x. So, the derivative should be, the derivative, if a and b is constant, so the derivative of a, constant, that should be 0, while the derivative of b should be, b tan x, if this is constant, or this is the coefficient, so just set that aside, b, and then the derivative of the derivative of tan x should be secant squared x. Yan. Okay, and then dx. Okay, so anyway, I'll just remove the 0 sign. Okay, and then I believe we can proceed with the substitution. However, we cannot directly substitute. The values. For example, this one. Notice, we cannot directly substitute this term with du because we still need b secant x squared. We still need b. So what we will do, again, we will simply multiply this one with b. Okay, but if we multiply this one with b, see to it that you will neutralize it with 1 over b. So that we just multiply the fraction, or we just multiply the function with b over b, or equal to 1. Multiplying it by 1 does not necessarily change its value. Okay, and then after that, we can now proceed with the substitution. So this will become du. So I'll change this one with du, and then the denominator will become u. Okay, and then next, we can now use this ln x. Okay, so our answer should be 1 over b multiplied by ln of du. Ln of u plus c. Okay, and then again, we will write the original, we will write the actual value of u in terms of x. So let's just copy this one and then change u with a plus b. Okay, and then I think this will be our final answer. Let's try to check though if we have the correct answer. We have our answer key. Okay, so tama lang. So I think that's it. Sige, so same pa rin. If you have any questions or clarifications, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next problem, which is problem number 18.